So I'll be showing you how to eject water from your Redmi Watch 4. So let's say you just had a swim, or you got rained on, or for some reason your watch had gotten some water. So to eject that water from maybe the speaker holes and the microphone, what you want to do is swipe up and then tap on this icon here. Okay, so tap on that. Your watch will make that sound, and as it's making that sound, it's trying to eject water from the speaker holes and the microphone hole. And then you can now give it a good old shake to try and clear the excess water. Now, if there's still water, you can perform that task a couple of times until all the water gets out of your watch. And that's basically how to eject water from your Redmi Watch 4. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.